Congratulations on your new baby, and thank you for purchasing this newborn sleep course that is going to help you lay the foundation for healthy sleep for not only your baby, but for your entire family. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know what this course is and what this course is not. So we'll start with what it's not. This course is not sleep training. Crying is not recommended for babies under 3 months old. So if that baby starts crying, give that baby some lovin'. Never once in this course will you ever hear me say the words "cry it out" as a recommendation of something that you should have your baby do. I will tell you that this course is going to help prepare you for setting the stage for healthy sleep for your child's entire life. We're going to talk about things like your safe sleep environment, SIDS prevention, daily routines, soothing skills, appropriate wake windows, correcting your baby's day versus night confusion, and so much more. I can't wait to get started. Let's go.